Hi folks, welcome back. So today we're going to see how we can add an image to the demo. With Fable, you can add image files like screenshots, Figma image exports, illustrations, etc. to your interactive demo and make it part of the flow. So let's go ahead and click on this add a new screen to this demo icon. Now load image and let's select an image from our file library. I have selected an image. Now let's name our screen. Let's make this 1A. Let's click on save. Here we have this. Now let's select the screen. Screen is loading. Let's click on new cover annotation. Maybe we can add a text like, and here we go. Here we have a screen added. Thank you, folks. Please stay tuned for further videos.